Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erenmoles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. He seduces Ògún's wife, Uja, Efa'a in Bini, had been married to Ògún for a long time without having children. One day, Òtúrúpòn Méjì went into the forest to collect leaves for his spiritual work. In the forest, he met a woman who, unknown to him, was the wife of Ògún. She had not been able to bear children because she had the habit of drinking the blood of animals that her husband killed in the forest. She was immediately attracted to Òtúrúpòn Méjì and agreed to marry him, but insisted on remaining in the forest. However, she told him that her former husband frequently fed her with blood and meat from the animals he hunted, and she asked him to continue feeding her the same. Instead, Òtúrúpòn Méjì sacrificed a he-goat and prepared mashed yam with soup, adding ìyèròsùn, Ifa, sacred powder. When he brought the food to her, he sang a poem expressing, Alagere, aya se ahi, wa yag bi eje oni, Aisode la ahi ibi, Awó onje le yi o. Translation: Alagere, wife of Sesin, come and take today's blood. It is in absence that we find evil. This is the meal of the Awó. Then he hid himself, and the woman came out to take the food. She ate it and placed the pots where Òtúrúpòn Méjì had left them. In this way, he fed her for 7 days. On the 7th day, she followed him home, abandoning the forest. When they arrived at the house, the woman fell ill. When Ògún discovered that Uja had been seduced, he began to curse her, and she became even more ill. Her new husband invited his Awós, diviners, to perform divination, and they advised him to pay a bride price for her. This is why it is necessary for any child of Orunmila to pay a dowry for any woman he has seduced. To pay the bride price, he had to perform a sacrifice with a he-goat, rooster, tortoise, and dog. He had to build a hut surrounded by palm fronds, cook the meat there, and leave the food so that the former husband could come to take it. He followed these instructions in the very same place where Uja had lived temporarily in the forest. When Ògún arrived there and saw the food inside the hut, without bothering to find out who had seduced his wife, he ate the food, satisfied that the seducer had paid for her properly. At the end of that month, Uja became pregnant and had a child for the first time in her life.